Hello friends, how are you? I hope you're quite well. Today I have fashion lookbook templates. These are in PSD and here is 23 pages. First is cover, open window viewer, okay, and you see here you can import your image here. Contact us are your detail, content are page 1, your text here, and page 1 your image, page 3 and page 4. So first I drag this file on Photoshop CC 2018. Here is a font missing. You need first font, so I drag this below. Okay, so font is just simple. Here is one page and second page, that mean a full cover, front cover. Background locked, so you can change background, change color, or apply gradient overlay. You see, depend your own self. So here is photo option. You can replace photo 1 2 3 three photo 1 2 and 3 here. So open this and for example okay, Control S, and you see here your photo in cover. So you change color, font color like black, okay, and you can change fashion color, or you depend on your own self. So replace here like this, flip. Oh, okay. And you can adjust any other photo. I tell you, just for example, the main cover of lookbook. Close this file and open any other files. Here is simple, just you import your image here, page side 1 and side 2. You see the margin line. Just simply import your image and write your text here, and import your second image. These are in CMYK color, mean printable files. Last is 23 and 22 pages. One photo here, one photo here. Example, here is Control S, and the second photo is here. Enter, Control S, and you see your photo is here. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.